Today you will review the short ah and long o sounds. You will learn that the o sound can have different spellings.
To get us started. Our first pattern that we're going to be working with is a short O sound, like an ah. So I'm going to write my short O symbol like that. And this is going to be that consonant, vowel, consonant pattern that we've been talking about so much. You know that when you see a vowel in between two consonants, it makes a short sound, like an ah. On our second pattern, we're going to be making that long O sound. And this is going to be that consonant, vowel, consonant with that magic E at the end, making this vowel say its name, O. And in our third pattern, we're going to be having that long O sound again. However, in this case, it's going to be a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Remember, two vowels go a walking, the first one does the talking, and it says its name, O. Let's get started. Our first word is the word box. Let's say the sounds for box. B-A-X. Box is going to go under column 1 because we have the consonant, vowel, consonant with a short ah sound. Say and write box under column 1. B-A-X. And we can dot and dash those sounds. B-A-X. Go over our next word. This is the word road, like I rode my bike. Let's see the sound for road. O-D. Road. Road is going to go under column 2. And I know this because I have a magic E at the end that's making this letter say its name. O. Say and write road under column 2. O-D. Road. And we can dot and dash those sounds as well. O-D. Road. Now we have the word road again. However, this is going to be the road that you drive your car down. Let's see the sounds for road. O-D. Road. These two vowels are going a walking. The first one's doing the talking, and it says its name. R-O-D. Let's see and write road under column 3. R-O-D. Road. Now you can do this on your board too. What I'm going to do is draw a little tiny picture next to these two words. Because these two words sound the same, but they're spelled differently, those are called homophones. Remember, I said this type of road is like I rode my bike. So I'm going to very quickly draw a little symbol with wheels that kind of looks like a bike. Just to remind myself that this is the type of rode my bike. And this road over here is like a windy road that you drive your car on. So to help me remember that this type of road is like the road we drive on, I'm going to draw a squiggly line with those dots in the middle. Just to remind myself that this is the type of road that we drive on. Take a minute to finish your quick sketches to remind yourself which road is which. Alright, fantastic job. Let's go over our next word. This is the word chose. Let's say the sounds for chose. Ch-O's. Chose. Chose is going to go under column 2. Because this magical E is making this letter say its name. Let's say and write chose under column 2. O. Chose. And we can dot and dash those sounds. O. Chose. This is the word boat. Let's say your sounds for boat. B-O-T. Boat. Two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking, and it says its name. So I know that boat goes under column 3, like in road. Let's say and write boat under column 3. B-O-T. 'boat'. And dot and dash those sounds. B, O, boat. Let's go over our next word. This is the word drove. Let's say the sounds for drove. D-r-ove. Drove. Drove goes under column 2. It has this magic E at the end that's making this letter say its name. Let's say you write drove under column 2. D-r-o-v. Drove. And we can dot and dash those sounds. D-r-o-v. Drove. Look here at our next word. This is the word goat. Let's say your sounds for goat. G-O-T. Goat. What column does goat go under? A, O with the magic E, or O with our 2 vowels going and walking? That's right. Goat goes under column 3, like in boat. Let's say and write goat under column 3. G-O-T. Goat. And dot and dash those sounds. G-O-T. Goat. This is the word soap. Let's say your sounds for soap. Oh, soap. What pattern does soap follow? 1, 2, or 3? Nice job. Soap goes under column 3. It's got those 2 vowels going to walk in, but the first one's doing the talking. Let's say you write soap under column 3. Oh, soap. And we can dot and dash those sounds. Oh, soap. Okay, and we have one more word for this week. Let's take a look at this word. This word is the word knock. Now be careful with the word knock because it has 2 letters in the beginning making 1 sound. These 2 letters together say Let's say this sounds for knock. Knock. What vowel pattern does knock follow? Right you are. Knock goes under column 1. It's saying that short vowel sounds. Let's say you write knock under column 1. Knock. And dot and dash those sounds. Knock. Okay, let's go over our patterns one more time in the words that we have for this week. Our first pattern is going to be that short vowel sound. Consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. Box. Knock. Our second column is going to be that long O sound with the magic E at the end, making this letter say its name. O, road. O, chose. O, drove. And our third pattern is that long O sound with those 2 vowels going and walking, but the first one's doing the talking. So we're going to say O here. Ode. O, road. O, boat. O, goat. O, soap.
Now it is your turn. Take out your sort and do it on your own. Today you have learned that the O sound can have different spellings.